Gene patents in agriculture. Now, gene patent is the second wider issue related to the genes. We will talk about the gene patents in agriculture, especially related to genetically modified crops. Because genetically modified crops not only contain the natural genes, but they also contain the foreign genes introduced into the plant by the scientists. Now, a number of problems are associated with the genetically modified crops, especially in less developed countries. This is because gene modification is a very expensive technique, so farmers have to buy the fertilizers for better output. Secondly, issues can arise when the genes are misused in the less developed countries. So here genes need to be patented. अब अगला क्वेश्चन ये अराइज होता है कि कौन सा ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट इस काबिल है जिसको पेटेंट किया जाए. In order to be the subject of a patent, an object must be an invention. It should not be a discovery or the pre-existing part of the nature. So genes जो कि एक natural substance है, इसको हम invention लेंगे या discovery. So this is the key question. But keep in mind that genes are clearly parts of nature, and only those objects can be patented which are the inventions, not the object discovery. In USA, genetically modified crop genes have been patented so that public can enjoy their commercial value. Now, most of the groups support genetically modified crops and they said that the genes need to be patented. यहाँ पे ये question arise होता है कि genes तो natural substance है, ये it is not a invention, it is a discovery or it's a part of the pre-existing nature. यहाँ पे हम कैसे genes को patent कह सकते हैं? तो जो ग्रुप सपोर्ट कर रहा था उन्होंने कहा कि जो जीन्स हम जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड फील्ड में यूज करते हैं, इट इज़ अ कॉपी ऑफ द जीन, नॉट द ओरिजिनल जीन. सो दिस इज एन इन्वेंटिव स्टेप. जबकि दूसरे ग्रुप ने ये आर्ग्यूमेंट शो किया दैट पेटेंटिंग अ जीन कॉपी इज ऑलमोस्ट द सेम एज पेटेंटिंग द ओरिजिनल जीन. Now the question arises that how the genes can be patented and how they are the inventions, how we can make the copies and how it can lead to the inventive step. First, gene is isolated from the rest of the DNA, then we make it copy from the messenger RNA population and turn this gene sequence into an invention. Now how this turning point occurs, this is because we are making copy of the genes here in a simple test tube. So the genes that are to be patented, whether they are used in agriculture or in medical genetics, they have to be patented because this is an invention. They are the copy of the genes which are produced simply in a test tube. Now, number of advantages are associated with the gene patents in genetically modified crops. This is because gene sequence is a legitimate intellectual property. Companies are making investment on research and development of genetically modified crops for the benefit of the public and also to get the higher output. जैसे जैसे कि कंपनी इन्वेस्ट करती है उससे दुगना फ़ायदा उसको होता है. जैसे कि विटामिन ए इन्हांस्ड राइस बनाए गए जिनको हम सिंपली गोल्डन राइस कहते हैं, दे आर द जीन पेटेंटेड फॉर्म. इसी तरह बहुत से ऐसे जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड क्रॉप्स हैं जो कि अभी प्रोग्रेस में हैं और जिनसे हम फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं.